As gas prices continue to rise, many are still waiting on the checks the state said they would send to help New Mexicans. Many are asking when they will come. News 13's Gabe Chavez is here with some answers.
Kim, according to the state, close to 40,000 people are still waiting on the rebate that the governor and the legislature signed off earlier this year.
We've issued about 183,000 paper checks, but we have about 39,000 more to go. And we can issue about 14,000 checks per day. That's just our printing and mailing capacity. So we have several business days left to go until we're sort of caught up.
Since House Bill 2 was signed by the governor for $700 million, the Tax and Rev Department says 730,000 people have received their first wave of checks. 547,000 of them were people who completed their taxes for last year with direct deposit. There are a number of others who have not received anything. That's due in part to either late filers or those who did not file taxes last year and had to complete a separate application. The state says that the applications are now closed, with as many as 30,000 people qualifying for those rebates.
As of yesterday, we believe that we've hit the cap on that $20 million, which was allocated to go out on a first come, first serve basis. So HSD is maybe still taking applications for another couple days, but I do think that that funding source is about tapped out.
Single filers can expect $500 total in two payments, and couples will get a $1,000 split between two checks. The next wave of checks should be sent out in August. There is a third check that will be sent out to those who qualify under income restrictions in July, which the state has put $20 million towards. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabe. Now, the Tax and Revenue Department says that they have received close to 8,000 calls in one day from people asking when they'll get their check. They say just give them a little more time.